I don't know if we're going to make a vlog out of this or not, but we're doing something as Hoosiers that we've never done before, and that is getting a smog check on our car so we can get licensed here in Nevada. You have to do this in Nevada and California and maybe some other places too. But we're sitting here behind a gas station and you just look for these places behind gas stations that say smog check. And this one is $19.99. They hook up your car, they check your we think they're going to check the registration. We think that they're going to check that we have insurance, and then they check the VIN number and match all that stuff up, and then you'll be able to take that to the DMV. And
I don't know that they check the VIN number here. You have to get a VIN check at the DMV.
Yeah, but when they want to make sure that the smog check was done on this vehicle,
oh,
they check a VIN because they have to say this is the VIN number for the vehicle that I smog checked. So they have to make sure it's the exact same car so nobody does anything hanky-panky. So we're going to see what it's like. We're getting ready to pull up and we'll let you know.